Hey guys, it's me, Chris9017, and we're back, and here she is. Here is the Class 01 060 Bramble Blue Beauty. And here she is, alive, out, and under steam. Yeah, don't have much here. But I did get my Bachmann Easy Command DCC controller out so you could see how she runs a little bit. I should have brought the whole thing. But you can see she is absolutely immaculate. Wow, and look at that fire glow. You can just see it. She literally is the real thing taken by Rick Moranis and shrunk down to 00 gauge. But wow, this thing is absolutely immaculate. She blows my City of Truro from Bachmann back from 2012 from the National Railway Museum in New York out of the water. Again, this engine with the Hatton's Genesis coaches wasn't still worth an excess of goodness knows how much money. I'm still questioning that, but I'm still satisfied and happy that I got this engine. And it sounds like she's happy to be here. And she can't wait to run at a show. Yeah, thought you guys would want to see this little engine in action. I'm sorry that I don't have the whole loop set up, but this is just a sample of of literally the features of what I bought. I know with a proper DCC controller, I can really unleash all the bells and whistles of what this engine has to offer. Well, except for the bells, because British engines don't use bells like American locomotives do, but you get the picture. It's still got plenty of whistles to offer. And what a very sweet sounding whistle she has. Slow down there. Yeah, she really wants to run. She really does. She wants to get out and stretch her wheels. And show us what she has to offer. So, let's just turn her around over here so you can see her on both sides before we go. Yeah, and look at how beautiful she is. And you can really see just how amazing this SE&CR 01060 really is. Alrighty. That's it for now, you guys. She'll say one last goodbye. Chris9017 out.